Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very solid day, and now setting up a very interesting situation here headed into Wednesday. And the situation being very impressive bounce off the lows. In fact, came right down to that area of support that I talked about in past videos. And not only did that level hold strong as support, acted as a trampoline, up the price went, and now that has put the price within striking distance of the upper part of the pattern here, right around that $3.20 mark. So yeah, the price still has room to go, but it's within striking distance. I mean, it's only got to travel up a little bit of a distance to then potentially do battle. Now, just because it's within striking distance does not mean that for sure guaranteed any sort of breakout is going to happen. But my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that, yeah, there could very well be a breakout that's taking place here. So a whole lot of eyes going to be watching that 320 mark. And I make that comment because when there are a lot of people watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. So nothing is guaranteed, but my point here is that if the price were to come up to that area and then get the break up through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure because people are buying, well, just because a breakout is occurring. So definitely keep a close eye on that, and that'll be a very interesting dynamic. Now, in the event the price does pull back, then, there's nothing really wrong with any sort of pullbacks as long as the price doesn't go and crash down below that green line at $2.90. If that were to occur, then okay, that's a much different situation. That's a much different, discussion. But as of right now, I mean, the price isn't anywhere close to $2.90. So, that doesn't seem like it's, on the table of potentially happening. Preferably speaking, if the price can stay above that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, that would be best case scenario. But even if the price doesn't, not the end of the world because, again, you still have that $2.90 mark. But yeah, let's see if the price can get that break of $3.20. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.